Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I'm Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Meditation for Happiness. As always, please find your preferred, comfortable, seated position, whether that be on the floor with your legs crossed, as I am, maybe sitting on a cushion, or in a chair with back support. Moving on to your hands, you can place them on your knees if you'd like. Palms up or down, or just in your lap. And depending where you are, if you are maybe alone in an area where you feel comfortable to close your eyes, go ahead. And if you do not, it's okay. You can leave them open. Starting with bringing our attention to our breathing. Not trying to control our breathing, but just becoming aware of its speed, its depth, next moving our attention to any place in the body where you might have a buildup of tension. Any place that you might feel uneasy or uncomfortable. For me personally, it's my lower back. As you find whatever spot that the point of tension is, I want you to breathe in and out. Focusing that attention on that specific area. With every breath, we seek to understand that point of tension for us completely. Every time I breathe in, I explore different cracks and crevices. Not trying to stop the tension, but just to become conscious and aware of it. Trying to understand its frustrations. trying to just have a better understanding of what's really going on in our body. Oftentimes we worry about so much about what's going on in the lives of those that are around us, our loved ones, partners, children maybe. And I would like to challenge ourselves to start to take on information, data, start looking to learn and understand ourselves. Meditation is just not to just help us with other people, but it's to also help us with ourselves and life. The most important thing I would like you to take away from this meditation today is that happiness is learned. We must practice to be happy. We must practice on being happy. Sometimes we might naturally shift or drift to a side that feels more natural and say, hey, this situation or that situation, it's easier for me to feel my quote unquote natural self or my true self. I don't feel, or I do feel, that I'm living my best life. So just keep in mind that happiness is learned. That's the most important takeaway from today's session. Is happiness is learned. The more we practice anything, playing basketball, working on computers, the better we'll get at it. Same thing with meditation. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.